you're gonna make more money with the mobile detailing business than going
Yes,
into school.
exactly.
And you booked out all of August and pretty much most of September. That's impressive. Nice work. What's the revenue? What's revenue looking like?
It's looking like close to 10K from the end of, close to 10K from the end of, August to, like, a little bit into October.
Okay.
Getting close to 10K booked in that time period, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
cool, cool. That's awesome. And when you first joined the program, what were you doing again?
I was doing, like, 2 to 4. 4
Okay,
would have
2 to
been,
4.
like, my max, like, 4-week span, but I don't think
Yeah,
I ever did that in like, a calendar month.
yeah,
And I think the biggest thing is just having so many leads coming through and just, like, being able to, confidently, like, charge full price because I was giving out a lot of discounts before to get customers, but just the clarity and knowledge I've gotten and the lead flow has been amazing.
yeah. No, that's amazing, dude. You're doing so well, bro. I really, it's inspiring to, like, we want to be able to like help you. I want to be able to like help you, and when you actually take action and make it work, like you can achieve some pretty incredible results. What would you say like has been like super valuable for you in terms of like the community and the support?
Just being able to reach out, like, there's been a couple times I've had questions about something, and I just leave it in the group chat and, like, 3, 4 people are responding
Yeah,
pretty quickly at all times too. Because I think a lot of people are on the other side of the world from me, but there's still, like, always somebody that'll be responding.
yeah, yeah. No, that's cool, dude. That's cool. You're gonna hit 10K in a single month very soon. And you've
Thank
only
you.
been in the program like I want to say like how long? Like 6 weeks, maybe? Not
6
even.
weeks.
Yeah,
6
yeah.
weeks, yeah.
Let's go, bro. Nice
I
work.
know,
Like,
I'm hyped, I'm so excited.
yeah, this is just the start, man. Maybe we'll get
I
you to
know.
20K a month.
I know, I know.
Sweet, bro. I appreciate it. We'll talk soon. Bro,
I just wanted to say too that I've gotten so much value out of this, like,
dude.
just education from it and just, like, the biggest thing is just, like, feeling like I know what I'm doing moving forward instead of kinda guessing and trying.
Yeah.
So, really appreciate it, and